Good morning, everyone. Let's have a quick look at some of the top stories that made headlines today morning in Singapore. First one comes from China. Wuxi AppTech, a global R&D enabling platform company, and Australia's MedImmune have announced that their investigational new drug application for WPP216, a novel anti-IL-6 antibody for rheumatoid arthritis and other autoimmune diseases, developed by their joint venture Wuxi MedImmune, has been approved by China Food and Drug Administration as a Class 1 biologic to enter Phase 1 clinical trials in China. CFDA's decision represents the first time that a clinical trial permit has been approved for a biologic produced jointly between a multinational corporation and a Chinese company. Wuxi has been provided local regulatory, manufacturing, preclinical and clinical trial services for the advancement of WPP216. In another news from Wuxi Biologics, the company has announced that it has received 2016 Asia Pacific Biologic CMO Growth Excellence Leadership Award from Frost & Sullivan, a leading business research and consulting firm. Growth Excellence Leadership Award is part of the Frost & Sullivan Asia Pacific Best Practices Award Series, which identifies and honors best-in-class companies in Asia Pacific that demonstrates excellence. Wuxi has been recognized for its strong growth performance and customer impact in the region. Frost & Sullivan cited Wuxi Biologics' market sustainable company growth, its strong ownership and superb service experience to customers. Singapore-based Aslan Pharmaceuticals, a biotech company focused on the development of immunotherapies and targeted agents for Asia prevalent tumor types, has received approval from the board of Taipei Exchange to list on TPEX. Aslan applied for listing with qualified technology enterprise status with a paid-in capital of USD 36.5 million. Australia's ResMed, China-based BMC and 3B Medical have agreed on a global settlement of all litigations between the parties. BMC and 3B will be permitted to sell their existing products in exchange for royalty payments to ResMed. And ResMed will make a one-time settlement payment to 3B to close the Florida litigation between the two parties. The settlement did not include an admission of liability or wrongdoing by any party. The 5-year agreement between three companies resolved all pending litigation before the U.S. International Trade Commission, lawsuits pending in district court in Florida and California, foreign litigation in China and Germany, and validity challenges pending in various patent offices around the world. That's all from Singapore News Bulletin today.